In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom voice in ElevenLabs fast and easy. Before we dive into the tutorial, I'd like to mention that you can support our channel by using our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs. Now, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your ElevenLabs account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the ElevenLabs dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout. On the left-hand panel, you'll notice a section labeled Voices. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll be able to see a list of your current voice creations. Now, directing your attention to the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the option to create or clone a voice. Clicking this will open up a couple of choices for you: the instant voice clone method and the professional voice clone method. Each method has its strengths, so feel free to choose whichever one suits your needs best. The instant voice clone method is quick and straightforward, perfect if you're in a hurry. On the other hand, the professional voice clone method gives a more refined result, ideal for projects where quality is a top priority. Once you've decided on the method, it's time to record your audio. If you'd rather not record new audio, you can always upload a pre-recorded file instead. The platform is designed to accept various audio formats, making this step seamless. As you upload or record your audio, think about the voice's tone, cadence, and emotion you want to capture. These elements will define how your custom voice will sound. After uploading or recording, you can continue with the setup process. ElevenLabs makes this user-friendly, guiding you through each step to ensure everything is set correctly. Be sure to follow any prompts or instructions they provide, as these are crucial for the successful cloning of your voice. Once the voice has been cloned successfully, you'll receive a confirmation, and you'll see it listed under the My Voices tab. This section will become your new toolbox, a place where you can manage, modify, and play with your voice creations. You're almost at the finish line. To start using your newly cloned voice, simply click on the Use Voice button adjacent to your chosen voice. It's that simple to bring your creations to life. And there you have it. You now know how to make a custom voice in ElevenLabs quickly and efficiently. Enjoy exploring the capabilities of your new voice, and remember, the only limit is your imagination. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.